Okay, 1 second, guys. Trying to figure something out here real quick. Making sure that my settings are correct. Well, what we're going to be doing today is going through what's going on with BTC. I know a lot of speculations around about where it's going to stop and when it's going to stop. For me, it has also caught me off guard for two reasons. I can explain this. I actually had a couple of charts where I was expecting a bounce around 4100 and didn't really happen, which is weird for BTC. BTC usually has that very predictable bounces, and I'm just gonna go through a couple of charts from the past. I just want, let me see, just want to like this one, for example. I had price bounce of 4100, completely blew it. Honestly, puzzled by it. Hasn't happened before, and this is welcome to trading. You know, you can be wrong and get completely screwed by it. And this is a little video that I made a couple months ago. This is in a 2-day frame, 4-day frame. It came out to the same conclusion about 4,000. Actually, this was still playing on the place, I guess, for the 4-day. But anyways, I just want to go through and see what's going on with BTC. Like this one was predictable. Like again, you know, the target was in this rectangle, and yes, we recovered. We went back, fell in the rectangle area, and went back up. I mean, this is not something abnormal for BTC to do, but this time it's just completely off, and I have no idea why this is happening, but I have some serious doubts. Like this one was the same thing. Trend line, hit the trend line, went up. I mean, those are it's again, it's just me, and I'm trying to find explanations for all of this. But let's get to it. One of the biggest concerns that I have is that we haven't created any support for the monthly. The only hope that we have is the MA55, which is around 3,500. We're very close to that, and this is a Bitfinex chart. Usually the price is higher in Bitfinex because the volume is also higher in Bitfinex, and for other Tether crap that they have going on, also it's higher. So let's not just and for this, let me open this chart, and I'm going to explain to you why the concern that I have at this specific time with BTC. Where's my chart? Oh, here it is. So why is so concerning about this? I'm gonna clean all the crap out of the way. Let me make it bigger. Get rid of this. So let me hide this for a minute. And let me hide everything for a minute. Okay, so this is a clean chart. I have also EMA here that is not supposed to be there. Alright. Why is concerning to me that the price dropped so hard? See this cross right here? This is the first cross on the weekly, and that's when the prices start completely collapsing. There was no recovery out of it. And then a few weeks ago, I actually also said watch out with this cross, because this is the second cross in the chart, and this is a more bearish call. It is very scary to me to think that we're going to get on the first call of bearish in relationship with the Ichi cloud. We're gonna go and get a cross right here. And the other problem with that is that if we get that cross, we're definitely gonna get this second cross somewhere right here. Not in this specific point, but you get me. And that is scary, because if that happens, imagine if one just the price being pushed by the MA8, it's creating so much sell pressure. Imagine what's gonna be being under the 55 and then crossing. I didn't think I was gonna say this, but this is actually a very, very, very strong statement as of today. We need to bounce off the 55, which we are very close, and I don't think we're going to. It will take us to the support that was created in 2011, which is right here, and the price is $218. Just move this a little bit. $219. That is the support. I am not sure if this is going to go even lower to the 3100 that I had anticipated before, and the prices of the 3100 is based on candles. So we go right here, we can see it's 28, give and take a couple hundreds, but there is not really a support here, you know, and I was hoping that this was going to be delayed, so we don't have to drop that massively, but we're not going anywhere. So we were creating a support in the 20 minute, blown away. In the 20 hour, I'm sorry, not 20 minute, in the 20 hour, support, blown away. It's unbelievable. So our support, based on the price, it was around right here. We have a bearish, Ichi went down, and then we went green again. So it was a fairly good support for me to believe that this was going to bounce out of this one. Blown away. Didn't even do anything. Didn't react to it. Next support. So if we look at this, we are getting into the 1900s. This should be our next support. And why I say that? Because simple. You get an Ichi red, support, change, boom, up, red, up again, red. Remember that famous 6700 support? Well, I had a chart about it too. We bounced pretty good out of it, but then wasn't enough. So this is our next support. And yes, you guessed it. If we fail on that one, this is our next support. So every time we fail a support, we have a higher chance of testing the lower supports. So it should be somewhere right here, 950. And if I take you to my Telegram, where I chat with my friends, we can see it's a lot of speculation. I just share a couple of ideas here. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through this. If you want to be invited to this channel, you can, so you can read those things. But anyways, I actually said that we're gonna get to the $900. And why I said that? Because unfortunately, the monthly, it's not looking at all good. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. I love Cloud because it's one of the to me it's one of the most accurate indicators that we have. Trend lines are not working, are being blown right and left on this, so I'm not using trend lines. Fib levels, I haven't used them because I'm now looking at the higher time frames, and they don't work in higher time frames as smaller ones, and I'm gonna tell you why. So if I was to take the first rally that started somewhere right here, fib retracement, so let's say 13, so this is the first rally. It's not even working. I don't know why it's going on with this. Anyways, it's not working. My fib retracement is not working. I have something in my mouth. I have braces, and it's bugging me so much that I cannot even talk. Anyways, let's back to it. On the RSI, as many know, I am an RSI guy. I love the RSI. When we broke the support that we have been created for a long time. This is from January 15, give or take it. And now we're crossing below that. So my prediction is, or my idea about this is that we will probably end up getting a long recovery from here, but we will have to hit either of these supports. And if you ask me, my honest opinion, we're going to this one right here, the black line, 224, 229. It's the only support that I've seen that has been created since 2011. Maybe a little 2015. Here, 2016 in the monthly. So can we get there with these kind of candles? Yes, but I don't expect that we were gonna get there. What I do expect is that we're gonna break down very bad, and the lag line, it's also going down fairly fast. Hopefully we bounce from one of these supports and we don't end up crashing like everyone's gonna get scared of crypto, and we're all gonna just look at ourselves and say, hey, we lose all the hope. But that's where I see BTC. I mean, I don't have much bullish, especially because this is our second month on the red. For this to turn, it's gonna take a while, especially after this candle. So what's gonna happen now? This is gonna go up and it's gonna go down. Same as this one. See? Start very thin, then it starts spreading. So now it's on the very side. So hopefully we bounce, and I was hoping to get up to at least 89 on this leg. We're testing the I love to put this two here, moving average and exponential. We're testing the bottom of the RSI, and after this the RSI is no more valid in my opinion. I don't know how to move this back. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, let me indicators. There's the RSI right here. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you why. I've said before, once it goes off range, I don't use the RSI. It's useless. And let me see what's going on with the top traders. I know this guy's good. That tongue, he does a lot of forex. He's good. Let's see Alan Master, my favorite guy. So I'm just Bitcoin full moon short-term analysis, and his reasoning was some fine change of trend. We're looking. Okay, he's always bullish, so now let's play and see how he did it. Oh, ouch. So that's one. I think he had another one that says Bitcoin starts its move up, and as usual he bought it at the top, and boom. That's why you don't really. Oh, here is my favorite one. That's why I don't use the RSI on the oversold, okay, or overbought. Oversold RSI lowest since 2015. Okay, so he was. He said occasional. Well, he should have said don't use the RSI off range. But anyways, and he went down. Why? Because the RSI was oversold. He thought he was gonna get a good deal. No, he didn't. So that's for Alan. I don't know. This guy, he's a funny guy, but I gotta say he has an eye to call for the obvious. And well, let's see some other people. Let's see, this guy is new. I haven't seen him before. I want to see the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. Long. Let's see how he went on the long. Oh, well, little. Let's see how it went on the long again. Oh, he did good on this one. Well, he didn't reach the target, but hope he got out of it. Anyways, that's just for saying you do your own TA. Don't trust on the top. They just some of them are unbelievably crazy, for not having the use of a better word. And for the weekly, this is my major concern right now, other than having the price dropping like a rock. Once the lag line goes below the price, only one way, and it's down. So if we were, let me go to this is Bitstamp, which is good. So we got a log chart. I don't know if you have seen this one. I'm sure you have. Oh, come on. Drop it. Boom. So let's say we have trend line that goes like this. So we broke the trend line. Correct. We're testing some supports on the weekly, which was already said that the daily was created a support here from previous. And then we're gonna go to test new supports right here. And this is most likely the case, this bottom one right here. So I am leaning towards this one. The problem with this is that there was not a lot of retracement. There was a little bit of sales compared to the buys. So this is my best bet. Okay, again, and it falls right on the monthly again. So you gotta do your TA in different time frames and the bigger ones. Okay, so for me, monthly target. So it's not, I don't know when it's gonna get there. I don't know if we will get there, but I think we will. The same way someone made fun of me here. So based on the I'm confident line of yours, I randomly checked 5 ideas of yours and success rate was 0. Fair enough. I mean, you know, I don't chart as much. And not a signal, a good goal, not a single. That's the way you write a single. Good call. Maybe you should not be this confident. At least you believe in the history repeats itself. All right. So I was saying that. What was I saying? Maybe it wasn't here. Realizing judgment. I don't know where I put I'm confident. I don't remember, but I must have said I'm confident somewhere. As of today, oh, this is on November 21st. This is the target for the daily, which we're right above it. This is our first high target, which I think we might end up testing if it's not a scam, as a lot of people are saying, which now I am doubting too. And this is today. We're not looking good. Of course, we have a target of 35, but the rate that we're falling, this is our newest lower target. But we have to obviously be cautious in how we trade. So this is what I have for BTC as of today. Honestly, I don't see any signs of good. This 2 big red candles here, and I'm hoping for a green December, and let's hope that happens. Anyways, that's all I got for you today, and I hope you found this video informative, and just please like and share this video. That helps me. I have other plans for the future, and it's not selling signals. So thank you so much. I'll see you around.